So this is a quick video on reviewing the work breakdown structure for a project. So typically a company has a work breakdown structure. If you ever need to talk about what's the best work breakdown structure for your company, happy to do so. But what you're going to do here is you're going to come into admin, we go work breakdown structure, and there's going to be a couple parts here. So you have your cost code, your cost code type, and your sub job. Sub job by defaults are not turned on. A lot of companies actually create one sub job for every project and put all the cost codes under there. So if you look at click your cost codes, and I'm just gonna quick happens here. So what you can do at the beginning of a job, you can import from the company, you can select all and add them, or if you want to, you can manually select them and add them. So like in this case, maybe I'll select all and I'll deselect that one, and I'll have my general ones. A little note is 90 or 50 I recommend to be an overhead and profit line or overhead and fee line grouping there, and that will add them to your project. You could have subgroupings here as well, and then your subtypes here as well. If you need to add cost types, these cost types are really tied very tightly to your ERP. So Sage, Acumatica, QuickBooks, whatever ERP you have, you need to get these right. They should be activated and deactivated really at the company level, not at the project level. Sub jobs, if your job has multiple phases, if it has multiple buildings and you need to break up the values, you come in here, you add a sub job, hit the little plus, go in and call this, and we'll just call it, another example would be pre-construction, and we're going to create that. Then we're going to come in here, our cost codes, manage those. We'll bring in the company cost codes, select all, hit add. Take a second to refresh. Just go ahead and hit the refresh button. They're all in here underneath the sub job. You can delete the ones that don't apply to your project if you want. And then if you go and you can add another sub job, I could have add a B, construction phase, or like I said, building A, building B, or phase 1, phase 2. And then you'd come in here, edit, add company, select all, add. If you have a ERP sync, there'll be a send to ERP button right here at the top once they're already sent and configured. So that's important. That's pretty much it for cost codes and cost types and work breakdown structure.